Enjoy sheer driving pleasure. With the Automatic Maneuver Assistant included in the optional equipment Parking Assistant Professional, you can save up to 10 maneuvers with a combined distance around 1,960 feet and a maximum of around 650 feet for a single recording. When you reach your destination, press the parking button on the center console and click Record New Path. Begin driving slowly without exceeding 12 miles per hour. The system uses all the cameras and sensors to record your driving path. As soon as you complete the maneuver, save the recording with a custom name or by choosing one of the suggestions, like Office, for example. The next time you reach near the recorded path, the system automatically suggests to start the maneuver. Press Start to begin. Your car will execute the maneuver all by itself with a speed of about 2 miles per hour. The system allows a deviation of about 1 foot from the recorded path to allow enough space to maneuver around an obstacle in its path. Otherwise, the system stops the maneuver automatically. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.